Are you tired of fumbling with Zoho Books sales orders? Master the complete process and send your first sales order in under 3 minutes. Enable sales orders in settings, then create and send one with customer, items, and terms. Start by opening Zoho Books. Then click on the setting icon in the top right corner. Now, go to General in the Settings menu. Next, click on Sales Orders to enable it. Once you've enabled it, click on Save to apply the changes. Then, close the Settings window by clicking Close Settings. Now, head over to the Sales Orders module from the left sidebar. Click on Create Sales Order to start a new one. First, click on Select or Add a Customer to choose who this order is for. For this example, we'll select Acme Solutions. Then, type a reference number for your sales order in the provided field. Now, click on Expected Shipment Date and choose a date from the calendar. For example, select the 29th. Then, click on Due on Receipt to open payment terms and pick Due End of the Month. For this demo, we'll select Due End of the Month. Next, click on Select or Add Salesperson and choose a salesperson from the list. We'll go with AI Expert. Now, move to Item Details and click to add an item. For example, select AI Marketing Campaign from the item list. Once all details are filled, click on Save and Send to proceed. Then, click on Send to deliver the sales order to the customer. Finally, verify that the sales order has been created and sent successfully. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.